unforgettable friendship, child's blue bear, velvety fur, flowers in their eyes.
Dawn, it's a time of awakening, the first timid awareness of a changing world. The walk is a favorite entertainment, as is dancing until sunup and eating out. Ordinary people and things move leisurely.
Yesterday, a friend told me she's not a real writer, and I wondered why. Today, that friend told me, I did some writing this morning, and later on I'm going to do some knitting. I wondered if it would be real knitting.
Jenna's hair, sticky with sunshine, twirled into wind-spun strings. Jenna's hair, corkscrews of laughter cartwheeling through the day. Jenna's hair, saltwater rusty, drowsy against her cheek. Jenna's hair, feathered in lamplight, blanket of downy dreams.
Canvas of love. Imagine unbounded appreciation. Create a shape and fill with color, the colors of hope and affection. Outline it quickly with intention. Then allow those random details held by rainbow arms of acceptance. In a joyful spring of complete approval, the canvas of love paints itself.